His Excellency, the former President of Fiji, Turangang Bali na tui moduata, tau imbola tangani, na tui wila me katuniber. The Food and Agriculture Organization, Fiji Country Representative, Ms. Joan Young, representatives of the food industry in Fiji, the Commissioner Northern, or his representative, members of the steering committee who have organized today's event, senior government officials, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, students. Sambula Bina'a, warm greetings to you all. I'm indeed honored to be here amongst you all in this beautiful town of Labasa and feel firsthand the warmth of Pambasinga hospitality. As we gather here to celebrate World Food Safety Day, I'm reminded of the significant role of the observance of this day and how it plays in highlighting the importance of food safety in our lives. World Food Safety Day serves several key purposes. It raises awareness about food safety and the issues that surround it, demonstrates preventative measures against foodborne illnesses, discusses collaborative approaches to improve food safety, and promotes to enhance our food safety practices. Indeed, food safety is vital. It saves lives and is essential not only for food security, but also for the reduction of foodborne illnesses. The World Health Organization, or WHO, estimates that 600 million people worldwide are affected by foodborne illnesses each year, with more than 420,000 deaths from unsafe food. The most vulnerable amongst us who live in poverty, and our children bear the heaviest burden. In fact, while children under the age of 5 years make up 9% of the population, they account for 40% of foodborne diseases from unsafe food, and that place them in risk of malnutrition and worse, even death. Here in Fiji, the past decade has revealed troubling statistics concerning cases of food and fish poisoning leading to severe illnesses that are preventable. And access to safe and nutritious food is fundamental to sustaining life and promoting good health. When food is unsafe, whether due to harmful bacteria, viruses, parasites, or chemical contaminants, it can lead to over 200 diseases, ranging from minor illness to life-threatening conditions. The theme of this year's World Food Safety Day is Food Safety, Science in Action. These themes underscores the critical role that scientific knowledge plays in reducing illness, cutting costs, and saving lives. Science is the core of food safety. It enables us to identify what makes food unsafe and guides us in preventing foodborne diseases. Everyone involved in the food supply chain, from producers and processors to transporters, retailers, cooks, and consumers, rely on the consistent application of good practices, agreed processes, and standards to ensure the food we consume is safe. These practices are founded on robust scientific evidence that examines how food becomes contaminated and how we can combat these issues effectively. As we commemorate World Food Safety Day, let us remember that food safety is a collective responsibility. Each of us, from producers to consumers, must play our part to guarantee that the food on our plates is safe. And we also must acknowledge that unforeseen circumstances can sometimes compromise food safety, even with all the precautions in place. Yet, there are always measures we can take to minimize the risk of illnesses. Food safety incidents can range from minor inconvenience to major crises, be it a power outage, food poisoning outbreak, or a recall of contaminated products. These risks do not recognize borders, and in our interconnected global food supply, a local issue can swiftly escalate into an international concern. We must take action, for when food is safe, individuals are unable to access the nutrients essential for their health, learning, and productivity. The concept from farm to fork underscores the necessity for every food businesses to adhere to a set of standards to maintain high levels of food safety and integrity. These principles may vary depending on the size and scale of operations, but they all share a common goal: to ensure the quality and safety of food throughout its journey, from storage and handling to processing and serving. As we navigate the complexities of food safety, let us commit ourselves to uphold these standards, ensuring the health and well-being of our communities. And together, let's make food safety a priority, because every life matters and every meal should be safe. Navalevu, Dhanyavad, and thank you.